took a full 12 hours to get here yesterday, just because the climate's so extreme. So we flew from Heathrow to Stockholm, got delayed at Stockholm for quite a while because the weather was really bad there. And then a little tiny plane arrived to take us further north to Arjeplog, where I'm not going to tell you the temperature yet, I'll tell you that in a second, but the plane is like a little bus, a bunch of people get on it, and it's got 2 stops. I've never been on a plane before where it stops and people get off, and then it takes off again. But anyway, we ended up in Arjeplog last night, and it's minus 29 degrees. Like, I literally felt the air freeze as it got into my nostrils. Like, it's so cold, and that really excites me. I mean, I've been cold before. I've climbed Ben Nevis and kind of got stuck in a whiteout before, and you know, I've been snowboarding and everything, but never minus 29. So I love a new experience, I love an adventure, so I'm really buzzing for this. The activities shall include things such as skidooing. We might see the Northern Lights if we're lucky, but that really depends on what the planet decides to do. We're going to be having dinner in a teepee. We might go see the Arctic Circle if we get time. But actually what we're here for is the Jaguar Ice Academy, where basically we drive stupidly fast cars on a frozen lake. Now, I'm going to tell you more about it kind of as we go. One thing I will mention though is that you can actually buy this activity. It's not just open to the press. Often when you do kind of like a car trip, the brand are like they've got a new car to show you, so you know, it's kind of an exclusive press thing, but this is actually open to the general public, so bear that in mind because I think it's going to be wicked. I'm mega up for this. One thing I will say is that a few people's luggage didn't arrive, so mine is missing, but that's okay because like it'll turn up. It might turn up later today. The only thing I'm really missing is some thermals, but I'll be okay. And my drone, so I can't get drone footage, but Jag are filming things, so they might lend me some footage, or it might turn up. For Laura, who decided to travel here in trainers and no socks, I mean, her feet are going to drop off. I hope she's managed to muster up some boots and socks, because otherwise she ain't getting out of the car, I imagine. Guys, look at this. I mean, beautiful. So what you see there, past these trees, is the frozen lake, which is the track. I don't know if you can see the track very clearly from where you are here, but it's huge, and these are the cars we're going to be driving. It's going to be so much fun, and look how beautiful. So the thing about driving in this weather is that the batteries on things don't last very long. I just did one lap with the GoPro, and I've got this whole thing here which is all battery. It's run out already, so I've been charging things quite a lot. So I'm going to give it some welly, that's the plan, and see if I can get sort of some slides going on. Got a few slides just then going like literally 30 miles an hour or something, so I think it's going to be good. Whoa. Give it a bit. Oh! What an experience though. I mean, look out there as well. I don't know if you can see the sun out there, but it is just bloody spectacular. What a day. I've been told to turn off the traction control now, so I've got to hold this button. Now this is where potentially the shit hits the fan. I'm going to come off the accelerator a little bit and ease myself in, because you've got to be gentle here. First, I'm actually really nervous. First corner without it. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Whoa! You can certainly, whoa! I nearly hit the peg. Oh, that, whoa! Oh no! The thing is as well though, if you go off, you're not going to go anywhere. There's like snowbanks there, which will slow you down. But if you just spin it, there's nothing for you to crash into, so you've got the freedom to hoon it, basically. Put your foot down. I'm so into it. Whoa! Sideways! Oh my god, it's so good. I did swear. Is this my nemesis this corner? No, this one's okay, I think. I hope, because I'm going fast. Shit. Okay, I'm stuck. Guys, I'm in the snow. No, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I need to radio in. Where's my hazards? Damn it, it's run out.
Okay, so we have a car stuck on the circuit, so just bring the car down to walking pace as you go by.
Whoops, sorry guys. So Ian, in the Discovery there, is saving me, he's towing me out. Apparently this happens quite often, so nothing to worry about. And actually he gave me a big thumbs up. Did you like that? When I did it, so I did like it, I liked it a lot. My hero. we have the F-Type. It's an absolute beast. We have here the Range Rover Velar, also very sexy. Here we have the I-Pace, which is my baby. I have one of these in white. Here we have the R-Dynamic, which is also beautiful. Oh wow. Oh wow, and here we have the Project 8, which is magic. It's like, I think I'm right in saying it's the world's fastest road legal saloon. Sexy, isn't it, in this? Kind of like a matte or satin type grey. We be sliding here. Oh, yeah. Toby's an absolute monster. Come on, mate. Yes. Oh. Uh-oh. Mirror signal manoeuvre.
Let's go.
Oh, that's a good one. Ooh. Do you know how I can tell it's a good one? When my gimbal it goes like 90 degrees. Because it's trying to kind of keep up with what's going on.
It's Bambi on ice, folks.
Toby, you're a monster! You're good at this, mate.
I'm not sure.
No, like honestly, I mean, we went in the ditch once, but once you get your eye in... We had a little accident, didn't we, Toby? We're currently in the Range Rover Velar, and actually, you know what? I had total confidence in you to start with. Like, he came out like a pro. Like the first corner, he like really put his foot down and like went round it. Came out of the corner, I think maybe it was going a little too fast, and then the car went left, right, left again, and then we went a very wide left, and we're quite far off the track. I think this might be a record for how far we've come off the track.
Pretty much in the middle of the lane.
So now we're waiting for Rescue Ian to come and rescue us. I think he's getting to know you and I very well. Yeah. Here's Ian in my rear view. I wonder if he's got enough rope. That's my question. You got enough rope there, buddy?
What a crack!
Look how far we've gone. Ian's gone like cross country to get to us. Next up we have the I-Pace, which I'm actually very familiar with, so I'm letting Toby go first. How you feeling? No, don't be silly. Ian, we get that heat. We're off. Oh, God, the sun's up now. Look at the view.
We're off in quiet as a star.
Now, this is one of my cars, Toby, so treat it gently, please. Actually, this one isn't my one, but you know, this is the car I drive, and I love it. I'm interested to see how it handles in the snow. It's also a very different kind of driving because the sort of the power is continuous. There's no gear, so it's like kind of like driving a really sexy go-kart in a way. But because of that, you need to brake and accelerate at slightly different times, and I've got no idea what it's going to be like on ice. So let's find out. Whilst I capture the view, look. There goes Toby. I've got out of the car for a bit so I can get some footage. I have to kind of stand back here because this corner is a bit of like an exit. If they put their foot down and they haven't got it quite right, they could just whiz into me. So keep my wits about me. Oh, that's a good shot, isn't it, everyone? That is the end of today. We didn't get E-Trophy done because it just got too dark. So we're actually going to come back tomorrow morning. We're not going to go to the Arctic Circle because apparently the weather and everything, it's not the right time to go. So what we're going to do is come back tomorrow, do a bit of the E-Trophy, and then go, I think, husky riding, which would be amazing. So about to go on a skidoo now, and obviously I need 2 hands for that, so I'm going to have to leave you in my backpack. See you back at the ranch, I suppose. I did not realise skidoos were so big. That thing is an absolute beast. Here's your throttle. You let go to stop, and you push to go faster. Apparently they go from like 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds. Brakes on this side, that's like your emergency stop button. So we're going to be going pretty fast, and with the wind chill factor, so it's minus 28 right now. With the wind chill factor, the faster you go, the colder it gets. There's an actual risk of getting proper frostbite on your face, and the way you know if you get frostbite is that you feel really cold, and then you stop feeling cold, and then you've got a problem. So I'll be keeping check on how my face feels, but let's go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2. As you can see, there's no cars here right now. That's because we've actually, I didn't realise this, we've been given kind of an extra sort of bit of a day. Bought some more cars because we didn't get to drive everything and they wanted us to. So I'm going to go in the E-Trophy today and also hopefully get in the Project 8. But the thing is, Luke Evans is here with us. I'm totally calling him out here. He was doing a donut lap on the Project 8, and apparently it's amazing, but then he broke it. So I don't know if they've been able to repair it or not, because he crashed. So we will see. But it's brisk out here, and it's like, I think the time is just before 9 in the morning, and the sun's coming up, but the sun takes a long time to come up and go down again. I've got my race suit on now because we're going in the E-Trophy, which is not heated or anything. And this also is fireproof but not very insulated, so it's going to be really chilly. But actually, before my go, me and Becky are doing that thing you've seen on Instagram where people throw water into the air when it's really cold and it freezes instantly. We just did it. The trick is to use hot water, and it looked really cool. So now we're doing it with, well, Becky's doing it with hot, what is it? Fanta?
Hot water and Fanta.
Hot water and Fanta, so we see if we get an orange one.
You ready?
Yeah. It worked. It didn't go very orange, but it worked.
A little bit, but it was good.
Oh, hey Huskies! Oh, they're going bananas. They're so excited, I think. Wow. Oh, we're off! Woo. So cold, I think my GoPro's frozen. I'm trying to sort of move it on the gimbal thing, it's just not cooperating, and it looks really weird when I look at it. So if this footage looks odd, that's why. But I mean, I hope it doesn't, because it looks spectacular from where I'm sitting. Break time, so I get to say hi to the dogs. I'm going to say hi to the leader up here. Hi guys. Oh, hello, yes. Hello. How you doing? Hi, thanks for the lift. Appreciate it. Oh, yes.